the given circuit, the current through the 12 ohm, okay, in this main you have to take. So the how the current is going means they are just giving the format of I is equal to A1 A I1 plus B I2 plus CV. They are giving in this format. So listen here, what thing means first let me take the circuit, and usually you go with the superposition theorem, okay. Usually go with the superposition theorem. So we want to just make the two things, open circuit the current source, and then another one short circuit the voltage source. I hope you know about this one, right? So first let me just take the AI1, okay. What is AI1 means? You have to consider the I1, and you have to do the short circuit of V and open circuit of this I. So read the circuit, so there will be 2 ohm available. This is for I1, okay, 2 ohm available, and then it is going on. So I1 we have to make a consider, that's all. And then I2 we have to open circuit, so we can make it as free. So there will be only 4 ohm current is flowing like this, and after there will be 12 ohm. 12 ohm is okay, and then afterwards the last will be 6 ohm, because why means this voltage will be short circuit. That's why I just brought the straight line as it, right? Okay. Now listen here, if I just do the AI1 means A1 is equal to, so you consider for this I1, what is the I1? I1 represents, so you can take opposite. I told in the last class that 2 into I1, and it's called divided by, so what and all flowing this through. If you just go through means 4 is in this junction, 4 is coming in this direction, 6 is coming in this direction, so it is by 10, okay. So current coming towards the junction means you have to add, current going away from the junction means you have to minus, because this is going away, right? But anyhow, no need to worry about this 12, because we are that means what, find the current over the 12. So that's why you have to leave. So 4 and 6 get added. It is equal to I1 by 5. Is it right? I1 divided by 5 in this way. So automatically what you do, A1 is equal to I1 by 5 into, so you want to just consider this one, right? So what is the opposite? 6. Is it right? So just write into 6 divided by 6 divided by, so for this 12, if you take two things are parallel, right? 6 parallel 12. So that means it's not a 6 parallel 12. 6 plus 12 you have to make the thing. So this is equal to I1 divided by 5 into 6 divided by 18. So I can make it as a 3. So which is equal to I1 divided by 50. Okay. I1 is equal to, so you are consider A, is it right? So you have to just take the I1. So I1 is equal to 1 divided by 15. So otherwise you can make it as two things to be cancelled. So you can make a cancel of I1. So automatically finally A will be is equal to 1 divided by 15. Now we want to consider the I2. Okay, now we want to consider I2. We consider the I2 means I1 will be open circuit. Okay, just leave it off. So I just read the circuit now. So 2 ohm will be there, and then afterwards consider the I2. Okay, so you consider the I2. I2 is flowing in this direction. I2. So now I'm just going here. So as usually, so here 4 ohm will be there. 4 ohm will be there, and then voltage will be short circuit, because we are considering only the I2. I1 is open circuited, so leave it off. So now directly there will be the 12 ohm. 12 ohm is there directly, and then afterwards 6 ohm will be there. Okay, 6 ohm will be there. Now I consider the I2. So B I2 you have to consider is equal to. So B I2 means what? What's you consider? So I2 means you want to, first of all you take this 4. Opposite you have to 4, is it right? Opposite of this I2 is 4. Here also opposite of I1 is 2. That's why you are taking 2. So now here opposite of I2 is 4. So you are taking 4 into I2 divided by, in this junction, etc. It's 4 plus 6 only. So you have to simply consider this 10 only. Okay, 10. Then into, so for this one as usually 6 is here, opposite is here. Then you have to add these two. Is it right? 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12. So automatically you will 6 plus 12 means you are getting 4I2 divided by 4I2 divided by 10 into 6 by 18. So it is 3. So what do you just get? 4 by 30. Okay. 4 divided by 30 into I2. B I2 is equal to I2 I2 can cancel. So B is equal to 4 divided by 30. So I can make a box, and here also I can make a small box you can consider. The next one you have to consider the B. The voltage source you have to consider means, okay, I1 and I2 should be open circuit. I'm considering this one I2, this I1. Now consider the V. So now I redraw the circuit. V means what? As usually 2 ohms will be there, and then as usual 4 ohms will be there, because this section totally it will be open circuit. Is that right? Then there will be a V also available. So we consider plus minus V also will be available, and afterwards there will be 12 ohm available, and there will be 12 ohm available, and after this 12 ohm you will be getting the 6 ohm also. Okay. Now we have to find the current over this one. So very simple. So current means V by R, is it right? So V divided by R means what? First you have to consider the 6, is it right? So what does the 6 means? Here opposite is 6, is it right? 6 plus 12 parallel 6. So V by R, is it right? First you want to consider this 12. First opposite only 6 is you have to make it simple, and then plus for this 12 ohm. What are coming with this 6 and 12, is it right? So both are parallel. You don't want to consider 4. Okay, already it is over, no problem, because this 2 4, that is I have taken the 6. Okay, and remaining one both are in parallel. So that is why 12 and 6. So it is equal to, if you consider, means V divided by 6 plus 6, 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, 18, is it right? 12 plus 6. So it will consider means it is equal to V divided by 6 plus 12, 6, 22 by 18, and then it is equal to V divided by 6 plus, and then 4. So it is equal to V divided by 10. Is it right? V divided by 10, that is the one. So automatically what it is to consider, V divided by 10 is the very important. And apart from this, so after you're finding this V by 10, okay. So listen here, you have to be finding V by 10. Listen, you want to just make this V by 10. So I just write here. So you want to just find the current through this 12 ohm, is it right? 12. So V by 10 into, what's the opposite of 12? 6 divided by, then 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6, 18, is it right? So if I just make a cancellation, 1 by 3. So V by 30 will be getting it. So there will be V by 30, is it right? So CV, okay. So V by 30 means already CV is equal to V by 30. So VV getting cancelled. So C is equal to 1 divided by 30, because now we should have to consider, because it is going in the opposite direction. So there will be minus we have to take. Okay. So don't forget this one. So as usual, when I consider, second option is the answer. So A is 1 by 15, B is 4 by 30, C is minus by 30. That's all. Okay. தமிழில் சொல்லும்போது நார்மல் தான் எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன படிக்கும். வோல்டேஜ் கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது கரண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும், அப்புறம் வோல்டேஜ் கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது கரண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, கரண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது வோல்டேஜை ஷார்ட் பண்ணிடணும். அவ்வளோ, தட்ஸ் ஆல், வெரி சிம்பிள். ரிமைனிங் எல்லாம் ஒரு செக்ஷன் தான். ஏ கண்டுபிடிக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, A1 2 into I1 by 10. இந்த 10 எப்படின்னு சொன்னால், இந்த ஜங்ஷன் இருக்குதுல்ல, இந்த ஜங்ஷனுக்கு வர கரண்ட் பார்க்கும்போது 4 உள்ள வருது, 6 உள்ள வருது, 12 வெளியே போகுது. 12 பற்றி மைண்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம், அதான் 10 வந்துருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் I1 by 5 வந்துருமா, அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது ஆப்போசிட்டோட 6 டிவைட் பை இதை ஆட் பண்ணணும், அவ்வளோதான். அதே மாதிரி B8 போகும்போது என்ன வரும், B8 இருந்தால் இருக்குன்னா இதை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி விட்டுணும். இதை ஆஸ் யூஸ்வலாக வோல்டேஜ் ஷார்ட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, இந்த வோல்டேஜ் ஷார்ட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஸோ இதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டோட 4 தானே, அப்போ 4I2 டிவைட் பை இந்த ஜங்ஷனில் வருது, இந்த ஜங்ஷன் இருக்கிறேன்னா 12 இங்கே இருக்குது, 4 + 6 10. ஸோ இன்டூ இதை கண்டுபிடிக்கும் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஆப்போசிட் 6 டிவைட் பை 12 + 6. ஓகே தானே. அதே மாதிரி வோல்டேஜ் வரணும், வோல்டேஜ் வரும்போது கரண்ட் ரெண்டையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிட்டோம், இதையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடணும், இதையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடணும். வோல்டேஜ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ண, ஆக்சுவலாக எல்லா ரெஸ்ட்லையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இது 2 + 4 6 டிவைட் பை, ஏன்னா I is equal to V by R அந்த ஃபார்முலா, V by R ஃபார்முலா. 12 6 என்ன பேரலாக தான், பேரல் போட்டாச்சு. அப்போ ஈக்குவல் டு ஒரு ஆன்சர் வருமா, V டிவைட் பை 10 வந்துருக்கா டோட்டல். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும், இது வழியாக வர கரண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அப்படி தானே. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஆப்போசிட் 6 இருக்குமா, 6 டிவைட் பை 12 + 6 18. ஸோ டோட்டல் வந்து CV ஈக்குவல் டு -V, ஏன்னா மைனஸ் ஏன் டேரக்ஷன், ஆப்போசிட் டேரக்ஷன். ஏன்னா வோல்டேஜ் வந்து இப்படி நமக்கு வருது, +2 மைனஸ்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ளோ ஆகுது. அப்போ ஆப்போசிட்டில் போனோம்னா மைனஸ் போட்டுக்கலாம், சரியா. எல்லாத்தையும் மொத்தம் பார்க்கும்போது இந்த ஆன்சர் கரெக்டாக VABC. ஓகே, தட்ஸ் ஆல். தேங்க்யூ.